How to cancel Roblox premium subscription. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can cancel a Roblox subscription or premium subscription. So for that case, you have to open up your Roblox application. If you're using your PC or laptop, either way the procedure is going to remain the same. So when you open up or log in into your Roblox account, it's going to take you to this page. So right on this page, go ahead and tap on the more icon located in the bottom right hand side corner, and you can see there's this feature as premium. Go ahead and press on it. If you have a premium membership, it's going to list out right on this page. In my case, I don't happen to have, so I'm just going to instruct you. So when you locate that, you could be able to see this option as cancel, or there's this feature as renew, and then you could just go ahead and press on it, and then you'll be able to see the option as cancel or renew. Go ahead and press on the cancel button and give a reason for canceling your premium subscription and all that, and you'll have successfully canceled your Roblox premium subscription on your PC, on your mobile device. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.